My name is Matt Ray, and I'm an experienced team leader here at the Sazerac House in New Orleans, Louisiana. And today I'm here to talk about the A. Smith Bowman Distillery and one of their great products, the George Bowman Dark Caribbean Aged Rum. This rum is a blend of 4 to 6 year rums from the Caribbean that's finished at the distillery in Fredericksburg. This is a really cool rum with flavors of toasted coconut, vanilla, caramel, and sugarcane. And it's great for this cocktail we're going to make in a second called an Outrigger. This is, I consider it a modern classic, but it's a really easy spin on the classic Sidecar that maybe you've heard about. To make this drink, you just need a few things. You need a shaker tin set, a chilled glass, you'll need a hawthorn strainer with little springs on it, a fine mesh strainer to strain out any ice particulate or lemon particulate, and for your ingredients, you need Grand Gala VSOP brandy orange liqueur from Italy, the George Bowman Dark Caribbean rum, some lemon juice, and just a pinch of simple syrup. So let's get started. First, I'm going to throw in about a bar spoon, that's 1/8 of an ounce, give or take, of simple syrup, equal parts water and sugar, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1.5 ounces of George Bowman rum, and then finally 3/4 of an ounce of Grand Gala VSOP orange liqueur. I'm going to pop this tin on top, give it a shake with some ice. Pop and shake. All right, pop that tin off. I'm going to put that hawthorn strainer on top. I'm going to empty the ice out of my chilled glassware. I'm going to take my fine mesh strainer, put that right on top. There's no garnish on this drink, although a classic Sidecar has a sugared rim, but a lot of bartenders these days just put the simple syrup or the sugar inside the drink so it mixes a little bit faster. This drink is a modern classic created by Beach Bum Berry, one of the modern godfathers of the tiki and tropical cocktails movement, and he basically called it a rum Sidecar. So pretty simple twist on a brandy, triple sec, and lemon juice drink with a little rim of sugar. This is George Bowman rum, lemon, Grand Gala VSOP orange liqueur, and a pinch of simple. Super easy to make at home. I hope you try it sometime. So thank you for joining me today. For more information about A. Smith Bowman, please visit asmithbowman.com, and for more information about the Sazerac House, please visit us at sazerachouse.com. As always, please drink responsibly, and cheers.